Dear students of class 6, let us start the first lesson of your English textbook. The heading is, that's a poem, The Spring is Here, written by anonymous poet. You know, anonymous means the poet who wrote this poem didn't mention his name in the poetry, so that's anonymous. That means you know that poet means a masculine gender and its feminine gender is a poetess. So you know that spring, very beautiful season as far as we people are concerned. Spring is the queen of all seasons. You know that in the season of this spring, everybody is happy. The birds are happy, the flowers are happy, human beings are happy because they can see different types of flowers and different types of birds chirping and singing by sitting on the branches of the trees. The nature looks beautiful. In spring season, the nature looks beautiful and joyful. The nature is also enjoying the spring season. The poet in this poem describes how the arrival of the spring makes the world happy and cheerful. The arrival of the spring season that makes the world very happy and cheerful because that denotes the beauty that is going to come to them. First 8 lines of the poem is, how do I know that spring is here? Question mark. Because the world is full of cheer. Spring is here. How do I know? Because the world is full of cheer. That means the world is in a happy mood. The crocuses, that means that's a flower that we can see in this spring season. That means crocuses and daffodils. This is also a flower. Peep out from all window sills. The grass is getting soft and green because new grasses are coming, and so that they became soft and they looks very green. The garden makes a pretty scene. Pretty means beautiful. Forsythia bushes all unfold. That is also some type of flowers and bushes that is growing in the spring season and show their blooms of fairy gold. That means they are very nice to see. Bird treasure, that means some of the bird meanings I am going to give you. You have to learn it by heart. Number 1 is cheer. Meaning is liveliness. Number 2 is peep out. The meaning is comes out. Number 3, soft. Soft means mulayam. That means tender. T-N-D, tender. Pretty means P-R-E-T-T-Y. Beautiful. Beautiful means khubsurat. Scene. Scene here means picture. P-I-C-T-U-R. That means the scene of the flowers, the birds and everything. Unfold. Unfold means open up. That means opens up. That means khul jata hai. Opens up. Blooms. Flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R, flowers. Serenade. Sing to. That means song गाने को बोलता है serenade. Crocus a spring flower. Spring season में हम देखेंगे ऐसे वाला flower spring season में ही आता है. Forsythia, a kind of flower. That's also just like the crocus. That's also a flower. Fill in the blanks with the proper words from the poem. Poem से proper word लेकर फिर blanks fill करना है. Number 1, the gardens make a answer is pretty scene. P-R-E-T-T-Y. Pretty is the answer and scene. Underline the answer pretty. Number 2, and show their blooms. B-L-O-O-M-S. Blooms is the answer of fairy gold. Number 3, the birds are coming back to stay. The birds are coming back to stay. Underline stay because that is the answer of the fill in the blanks. Homework for you. Learn the given 8 lines of the poetry by heart. जो दिया हुआ 8 lines आपको by heart याद करना है. And also learn the given word meanings and fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks और word meanings भी याद करना है. लापरवाह मत करना. आपका time you have to utilize your valuable time preciously by sitting in your house. Thank you.